you, macha.
Take care.
Pants look like fucking. See you.
See you, brother. Absolutely. Future, you'll be seeing him a lot in my videos, trust me. Okay, it's time to leave Keith house, and my friends, they're heading back to Chennai. Me and Marcel are heading to our next destination. Stay tuned, guys. Bye, Marcel.
Take care.
Bye. Bye, Rajesh. Bye-bye. Welcome to Pondicherry. Full time. When will people change? I have no idea. Hey guys, so now we are out of Pondi and we're heading towards our next destination, which is Velankanni. Marcel has an oath to break and I have an oath to take. Catch you guys once we reach Velankanni. Take a break. How's your ass?
Yeah, hungry, man.
Yeah, I know. We'll go to this thing and eat, dude. Velankanni. Another 2 hours we'll reach there. Now I know where our rice comes from. Massive fields of paddy here. It's insane. It's such a welcome sight to see such greenery. Marcel always wants to eat. Hey guys, we just finished our breakfast at this place. So as per Google, we have 74 kilometers and the time it shows is 1 hour 46 minutes. So we are supposed to reach there at 11:30. We'll probably have lunch there, head from there to our next destination. Stay tuned, guys. In the middle of nowhere. I wouldn't call these bad roads. The view is amazing in terms of it's so shady, big trees, big field around us, and but the road is a little messed up. Wish we had a little smoother surface, but I'm just trying to catch the center line and see if I can gather some decent speed. Yeah, I think 50-60 is a good speed in this roads. Pushing my bike in any situation, especially the KTM, and I've done it in the past, and it always came out outperforming whatever I thought. So I think that's a stretch of bad roads. I hope we get some good roads, and stay tuned, guys. They pushed us off the road basically. That's insane. There is a police parade going on, and you guys are there to watch it live. At least it was live. What's up, boys? பக்கத்துல பைக் கடை இருக்கா இங்க? பைக் கடையா? அந்த மெக்கானிக் கடை. பக்கத்துல அங்க. Okay, we hit a first road bump. I'll show you guys what it is. This is what has happened to the bike. We got to get this fixed now. And the number plate விழுந்துச்சு, அந்த ரெண்டு நட்டு போடணும். வாஷர் போட்டு ஸ்க்ரூ நம்மள்ட்ட இருக்கு. ஸ்க்ரூ வந்தா மாத்தலாம். சரி. எவ்வளவு டைம் ஆகும்? இல்ல இப்போ முடியாது. இப்போ முடியாதா? இங்க வாங்கிட்டு வந்து தர மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே, got it. ஒரு கயிறு ஏதோ இருக்கா இப்போதைக்கு கட்டி போடுறதுக்கு? நான் இங்கே கட்டி போட்டேன், அது விழுந்துச்சு. என்கிட்ட இன்னொரு பீஸ் இல்லை. சாரி, இங்கே பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க. பக்கத்தில் எங்கே இருக்குமா கடை வேறு நாங்கள் நட்டு கிடைக்கிறதுக்கு? நாங்கள் வேளாங்கண்ணி போகிறோம். நாகப்பட்டினத்துக்கு. சரிங்க. It's not a major issue that the number plate thing has fallen down, so we did a makeshift fix, and probably we'll go down to a bigger store where they will have a nut and a bolt. These guys don't have a nut and a bolt, and I forgot to buy a nut and a bolt and washers, which I was supposed to carry, but I didn't. It's my fault. Okay guys, as I predicted, we got this guy who's going to help me get this fixed. He's a champ. Maslow is right there waiting. Let him be in the shade. I'll be here getting this fixed. Eda pudu cycle ada? Now this is getting a proper tightening. It's not going to come out now. It's a very special moment for me because I've been waiting for a very long time to visit Our Lady of Velankanni's church, and the time's come today. 4 minutes away. We finally reached our first destination for the day, Our Lady of Velankanni Church, the Basilica Church. You know, na? Andha pakama.
Something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that.
Where would you park the bike?
One by one we'll have to go then, no?
Yeah. Hey guys, we just finished our visit to church. Of course, we cannot document what happens inside the church, but I've documented the outside of the church a bit. And this is the way to the beach. I hope they allow us to go right past. Years gone by when I came, there was no pavement here. It was only sand. Now there is a road in which we can ride the bike. I'm not even sure if bikes are allowed here, but we are just going through. Maslow, don't go down. What's up? So yeah, moving forward. So we are done with our first destination for the day. We are heading towards our stay. It's going to be a long bike ride, and wish you guys enjoy the entire journey. It's just going to be more of riding and riding. Out of the Velankanni inner roads, it's connected us to the highway. Now this is going to take us straight to our next destination. I'm sure most of you guys know by now which destination it is. If you don't know, and if you know, stay tuned. There's nothing much on the road that we could do. We probably would be having some sorry podo. Okay, we have about 143 kilometers left to go to our destination, 2 hours 30 minutes. We're going to take a quick pit stop somewhere here. Both of us are not very hungry because we had a heavy breakfast. So what we're going to do is we're just going to grab something light. I saw this lighthouse from far, so I just wanted to come up close and see, or take a look at how it looks. Kids are always a welcome surprise to me. So I don't know if you can see, but that's a sea. All that is salt. This is where the salt is made. You got to be extra careful in terms of the cattle. They just cut across the road, so you got to be really careful. If you see a bunch of cattle far ahead, just slow down. Don't try to speed up. 70 kilometers. Here we go. Windmills, the perfect light for any kind of a photography work, the golden hours right now. And I'm not sure how the video is going to look, but I hope I get some good footage of this. So today's vlog ends here. We are at Rameshwaram at the beach, about 17 minutes to our hotel room. We'll get checked in, and probably if there's anything that we could do in the night in Rameshwaram, we will definitely do that and keep you guys updated. Please do subscribe to my channel, and hope you like watching my content. Thank you so much.
You're making fun, huh?
I was not making fun of you.
It's gone, dude.
Come on, jump. I think we just saw a dolphin here. and
Like a shark.
it could be a dolphin, it could be a shark.